Good evening, ladies. I wanted to come to you today. It's a beautiful, gorgeous Saturday, and I've had a wonderful day so far. And I wanted to come to you guys with a challenge. Today, I'm going to talk about reinventing yourself. How many ladies out there have like reached that middle-age plateau and you feel all these desires and passions and things flowing from within you, and you're just like confused and you want to do so many things and you just don't know how to get started with it? Well, I'm coming with a challenge because it actually happened with me mid 40s, and it's something about turning that 40 age. Something happens to a woman at that age. I think at that time you become more confident in who you are as a woman. You're not so much concerned anymore with what people think about you. You're loving yourself most of the time. You're loving your body. You're loving who you are, your inner spirit. You love a lot of things about you. So you're like in that space where you're just happy or you're content. So at that point in time, it seems like things start to just arouse and just grow out of you. So it's a challenge that I want to give you ladies to reinvent yourself. You get to a point in time in your life when you're just bored out of your mind with life. And life is, you have this one life. And once it's gone, it's gone. You can't come back and start it over again. So I encourage you guys to do as much as you want to do. Have as much fun. Live, laugh, love, do all the things that you never thought you could. And that's what I'm doing. I always had a couple things inside of me that I really wanted to experiment in and do, but because of society and what others would think of me as a younger girl, I never tried those things. So now I'm stepping outside the comfort zone. I talked about that a little bit, and I'm reinventing myself as a woman. And I love photography. That has been a passion of mine since I was a young girl. And I just stepped out on faith one day and I invested and bought me a nice camera. I did a couple of courses online and just kind of reading up, doing a lot of studying about photography, and I decided that I wanted to do that. And now I've started taking a couple photos, and I submitted them online just to see what kind of responses I would get. And I've actually had some feedback with people liking them, and they wanted to do some stock photos, which I may look at that, but a lot of times when you do different things like that, they want to kind of like have the rights to the photo. So I'm not sure if I'm ready to take that route. But what that did was it gave me an incentive to continue on, knowing that, hey, it must be a little talent there. So I've kind of stepped out, and I've done a lot now with graphics, and I'm just doing a lot of skylines and different things like that. So that was one of the interests that I had. And I'm encouraging ladies that, you know, if it's something that you really love, you have a passion for, even if you don't think you're good at it, go ahead and just try it. You'll be surprised at what will come of it. Another thing that I'm doing, I have always had, I would say, a very interesting life. It hasn't always been the greatest of life. I've been through a lot of traumatic events. I've overcome a lot. I've dealt with family members in alcoholism, very close tragic murders in my family, growing up in a very abusive environment. So I've had a lot going on in my life, and as I've gotten older, a lot of that stuff started to surface in my attitude and in my emotions. And one of the things that I was told to do was to just write it down. So I started recording. I'm not big on writing stuff. So I started recording just things about my life. And I started when I was like at the age of 15, and just started recording. And just through talking to really close friends, you know, they told me I had a story to tell. So that brought out the interest in writing my memoir. So that is another thing that I'm into right now. I'm doing that. And hopefully by the first of the year, I'll have it on paper, and I can present it to someone, and maybe it can be published. Who knows? But that's something that I've really gotten into. And not only is that something that I could do that maybe would generate some type of income for me, but it was also therapy for me to be able to overcome some of the traumatic events that happened to me as I was growing up and becoming a woman. So I'm just encouraging women that maybe think about writing or have an interest in that. That's also something you can do. I've shown a couple of businesses that I've done. I think one on YouTube. I think I did show my candle business that I'm into. It's the Scentsy fragrance candle, the non-wickless candles. I'm doing pretty good in that, so I've started that as well. So this video is just to encourage women to love yourself and don't be afraid to step out and try something new. Even if you don't do good at it, even if you fail, don't worry about it. It's living your life, and it's all about self-gratification. It's not about worrying about what other people will think about you. So that is my encouraging words for you ladies today. I hope that you're living your best life. Life is too short to be anything but happy. So you all have a wonderful Saturday evening. Mine has been great so far. I'm having a wonderful time. One of my girlfriends challenged women 50 and over to post a photo of themselves in a bikini on Facebook. Well, I'm not big on the bikini because I got a little junk in the trunk here. But you know what? I said, I'm scared, I'm nervous. But you know what? I decided to post a picture of myself in what I call the closest that I'll get to a bikini. I'm going to let you guys see it real quick. It's not a bikini, it's not even a bathing suit, but here it is. So that is what I posted. It was a different one, but it was just made like this. But that was just something I did just to step outside my comfort zone and just be me, be free, just be the woman that I am. So I am encouraging you women to live your best life. So you all have a good evening, and I will talk to you soon.